True Forex Funds, one of the industry's leading prop firms who has been around for quite a while and is known for, being a really reliable service, has actually temporarily frozen their services because MetaQuotes, the maker of MT4 and MT5, has actually taken away their license and their ability to offer MetaTrader as a platform to their traders. Now, True Forex Funds is working with MetaQuotes as much as they can to get their license back. However, in my opinion, I believe that this is just a start for many prop firms not being able to offer MetaQuotes to some of their traders, especially traders who are in the US. Now, I actually don't think that True Forex Funds is going to completely go away like My Forex Funds did, because this is not a government regulation situation. This is more of MetaQuotes cleaning up sort of their platform. Recently MetaQuotes has gone after some of the unregulated brokers, if you know about like Henko Trade or some of the other, unregulated high leverage brokers. MetaQuotes has actually taken away MT4 and MT5 from those platforms. And this is the first time that it's actually come after a prop firm. Now, they say they're working hard, and the worst case scenario is they'll have to migrate to another broker server. Now, I'm going to be going over some of the claims that are being made and kind of the future outlook for prop firms and what this means, especially if you are a US trading prop firm trader like I am. So the real reason why MetaQuotes took True Forex Funds licenses is because they were using a third-party provider for equity synchronization. And apparently, this unwanted provider was not approved by MetaQuotes. It wasn't up to MetaQuotes standard. I don't know the exact reasons behind this, but this is the reason that True Forex Funds is actually saying that MetaQuotes pulled their license from True Forex Funds. So the prop journalist account said that the CEO, quote, said, "I give you my word, so you don't have to worry at all. We will be back as soon as possible. Sorry for the inconvenience. It's a tough time for both our community and our highly valued team, but I can assure you we will come back stronger very soon." So like I said in the beginning of this video, I actually think that this is not a long-term issue. I think this is something that True Forex Funds will have to deal with, and they will either have to, find a new provider for, a third-party provider, or they'll actually have to move to a broker that's approved from MetaQuotes. So I think that that's the issue here. I also have some news from around the prop firm space that there are actually going to be issues like this for many different prop firms. You can see in this announcement from the MyFundedFX CEO, Matt, that the industry has been challenged yet again, this time by a popular software provider. There are rumors that potential restrictions to USA clients for all prop firms, which could possibly come down the road. It is true that there is a potential for this to happen, but nothing is certain. For now, I can assure you that MyFundedFX is not affected by the TFF decision. We are aware of the need for alternative trading platforms, and we will go live the next 7 days pending final testing. So the essential gist is that from this CEO of a very popular prop firm is that U.S. traders will be affected by MetaQuotes restricting MT4 and MT5 access, and probably for most USA traders who trade on prop firms that still allow USA traders, there is going to be a need to switch to another platform that is different than MT5 or MT4, and these prop firms are going to have to be looking to offer these platforms if they want to stay competitive. This is also the same for Funded Engineer, another prop firm that is somewhat popular. If you go to their announcements, you can see, as previously mentioned in a tweet weeks ago, it does seem that the days of MetaQuotes and USA traders is coming to an end. Very soon, all traders from the USA will not be allowed to use MetaQuotes. Now, I don't know the exact reasoning behind this exactly. The reason is because Forex, like for example, regulated Forex brokers in the USA can use MetaQuotes. For example, Forex.com and Oanda, they can use MetaQuotes and MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So, I don't know what the exact issue is. I believe it's because prop firms in the USA are in a legal gray area as a whole. Prop firms offering high leverage, CFDs, hedging, and all of these perks that aren't allowed to U.S. traders is actually probably illegal. So, being able to offer these things to USA traders is probably not, sound. And I think MetaQuotes is just trying to get ahead of it and avoid having to deal with any sort of regulatory issues. But, as of now, I think the situation is pretty clear that prop firms are going to be continuing to have to be challenged by regulatory environments, especially in countries like the USA, Canada, Great Britain, UK, Europe, Australia, some of these more, developed economies that have, severe regulations on their finance world. I'm in the USA, and I can really speak to the USA, but right now it seems if you're a prop firm trader in the USA, there are going to be many issues. And just one that's coming around the corner is you're going to have to, not have MT4 or MT5 if you have a prop account, which is not a huge deal necessarily. But, for example, if you have an EA that trades on MT4, MT5, that's a big downside. So anyways, I think that True Forex Funds is going to be able to come back. I think that they are just going to have to deal with having to move to a new platform and having to switch over all the accounts, which will take time, and it's going to make a lot of people really mad. I know that there are some people that are waiting for payouts. So as you can see here, there are two of the biggest prop firm traders in the space, Andrew, NFX, and JadeCap. And both of them are actually waiting for payouts. There's 10K pending and 8K pending. And both of them are, obviously upset about that. But True Forex Funds actually replied to them saying, rest assured payouts will resume once a platform is unfrozen. Payouts require that account synchronization. So once payouts can be processed immediately once they've been synced. So essentially, since they can't have MT4, MT5 anymore, these accounts are going to have to be brought over to a different platform, synced, and then accounts are going to all have to be, make sure they're at the same place they were before the ban happened of MT4 and MT5. So I think it's going to take some time, and True Forex Funds is going to take a hit. There's going to be a lot of people withdrawing, and there's probably going to be a lot of people that aren't going to be paying for fees on their platform, which is obviously, a main source of income, which could cause some future payout problems in the future. So I'm not going to speculate until there's a reason to believe that True Forex Funds is going to be gone for good. I think they'll be back, and I think they are going to continue to pay out as best they can. This is not like a My Forex Fund situation where they were literally sued by the U.S. government. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. This is really interesting news, and it's going to be very exciting to hopefully see the industry move forward and continuing to adapt and continue to be better for traders overall. It's going to be interesting to see what platform everyone moves to. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I will see you in the next video.